everybody! Today let's join Captain Discovery as we explore the secret behind the door of one of the largest McDonald's fries factories in the world. Did you know that, according to Statista, McDonald's sold over 9 billion servings of French fries worldwide in 2023 alone? In this video, the secrets in the production process of the McDonald's fries empire will be revealed. McDonald's began selling French fries in the 1940s in San Bernardino, California. Originally, they were hand-cut and fried on a stovetop. However, in the 1960s, Ray Kroc, who expanded McDonald's system, demanded improvements to the production process to create a consistent and faster product. From then on, McDonald's became beloved and deeply influential in American culinary culture through the fast food business model. So what made McDonald's successful? One, ingredient selection. In the Northwest United States, potato seeds planted in April begin to sprout. Months later, 500 hectares of potatoes were ready for harvest. Though the sky was still dim, farmers had already started their day, eagerly getting onto their vehicles, anticipating a bountiful harvest. This region was dubbed the Potato Capital because it provided ideal conditions for growing all 4 varieties of potatoes approved by McDonald's. If you ever wonder why McDonald's fries are so successful, this might be one of the reasons. Not all potatoes are suitable, and McDonald's only partners with reputable suppliers, providing 4 standard potato varieties: Russet Burbank, Ranger Russet, Umatilla Russet, and Sheepity. These premium potatoes have good size, lower sugar content, and less starch compared to other varieties on the market. This helps McDonald's produce crispier fries with less oil absorption. Did you know that McDonald's has a robust supply chain management system and strict quality control programs to ensure that ingredients and components meet their standards? Back to the vast fields. Trucks are diligently harvesting potatoes. The digging blades of the machines plunge into the soil, ensuring that the potatoes, once unearthed, remain intact without cracks. After being lifted from the ground, potatoes are transferred to the series of conveyor belts, where they are gently shaken to remove soil and stones. Then the potatoes are moved to storage bins and transported to the next processing stage. The sun is slowly setting. It's time to escort the potato trucks back to the processing facility. 2. Potato preparation. Before being sent to McDonald's factories, these suppliers peel, cut, and blanch the potatoes. Potatoes are washed clean using an automated washing system. After cleaning, potatoes are transported to the cutting area to peel and cut them into the classic French fry shape using precision cutting machines. This process is highly automated to ensure that all fries are of uniform size and shape, facilitating even cooking. The noteworthy aspect here is the shape of the cut potatoes. These elongated potato slices are the distinguishing feature that defines the McDonald's French fry brand. Revisiting history, this type of cut potato is also known as the French fry cut. When deciding to establish McDonald's, Ray Kroc opted for this traditional form because it's visually appealing and cooks evenly. And McDonald's popularity proves him right. After achieving the desired shape, potatoes are blanched in hot water. Blanching helps remove excess sugar and starch on the potato surface, preventing excessive browning during frying. Have you ever tried frying potatoes at home but ended up disappointed because the outer crust was crispy while the inside was dry? What's the secret to achieving crispy and golden fries on the outside while keeping them soft on the inside at McDonald's? If you're curious, keep watching until the end of the video for the answer. 3. Preservatives and chilling. Before frying, potatoes are pre-treated by soaking them in a mild acid solution to create a coating that helps them maintain their shape and color during frying. You might wonder if this is safe. McDonald's employs safe methods, such as soaking potatoes in mild acid solutions like citric or acetic acid, ensuring safety standards. 4. Acid soaking and frying. Finally, it's time for the most crucial stage, frying. McDonald's employs advanced frying equipment and automation, ensuring consistent texture and flavor. Guess what makes the special flavor of McDonald's fries? Seasoning? Not exactly. When McDonald's fries the cut potatoes, they use a blend of oil containing beef flavoring. That's why McDonald's fries are always distinctive and have an irresistible, delicious taste. I'm a huge fan of McDonald's fries. How about you? How often do you indulge in French fries a week? Let me know in the comments. 5. Inspection and packaging. Lastly, workers perform quality checks in packaging. As mentioned, McDonald's has a very strict quality management system and consistent production standards globally. After the checks, fries are poured into bags or boxes and begin to be distributed to McDonald's restaurants. So, the delicious fries are ready to be served at your dining table. 6. Environmental protection issues. In particular, McDonald's restaurant chain system has used recycled paper for food containers and paper cups instead of plastic. Thanks for exploring the McDonald's fries production process with us. If you're amazed by the blend of technology and craftsmanship we showcased, like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe to Captain Discovery for more interesting journeys.